What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I think I'm going to start working on the Mustang. You might have seen clips beforehand. So this is going to be the official part one. I know I put some shorts out there about starting this new project. So here we go.
That's good right there. Thanks, Bob. Appreciate it.
Alright, well, there she is. Little 4-cylinder junk. There it is in all her glory. She used to be green, I think. So yeah, let's kind of get a closer look in the engine bay and what we're ripping out. So I know it does have AC. I know it works because when it did run and I bought it, it worked. So now I think it's just a dead battery and a bad alternator, and it's been sitting for a few months now since I bought it. Haven't really done much with it yet, just been ordering parts and getting things together for it. We got some damage here, looks like some damage up here, some apron damage, so we're going to dive into that. But I think the first thing we're going to do is make this thing easier to push in and out of the garage by taking some weight off of it. So we're definitely going to be ripping this engine out. See if there's anything in the radiator. Hello. There's nothing in there. Put that right back. It's also got a hose clamp around the tensioner. What else can I say about this? It's a piece of shit. So we can see a little more of what's going on in here. We get the flashlight. Yeah, she got mangled up pretty good. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna need an apron. Alright, I kind of expected that. You can kind of see where it's whooped out right there. We'll have to see how that other side looks. But yeah, that sucks. It's even worse through here. You can kind of see all this mangled crap. It's all bent up out of shape. So alright, we'll keep going here. back to it again. Let's get this engine out now. Get the gloves back on. Oh, it's scorching hot here in Florida. See how this goes. Hopefully we don't have to take the hood off because I'm only here by myself. Thanks for watching part 1 of the Mustang build. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me some comments. All right, see you.